Please could you tell us what manufacturing is?
Basically just making something to suit somebody's need in a way. And that's what we do here.
So talking about a day-to-day basis, what does an average day look like for you, Aaron?
The contracted hours, it's 7:30 while 4, then on a Friday it's 7:30 till 12. For me, an average day, well, I haven't really got an average day because I do a fair amount of moving around. For people like me, like a lot of the apprentices were the main ones that really get moved around the buildings, we learn a bit of everything. So one day I'll be over at Unit 3 doing some MIG welding, or I'll be in paint shop painting some products. Can do so many different things, which I've got to be grateful for.
What do you love about your job, Aaron?
So for me, it's all different. So that's what I enjoy. Compared to like some lads who have been here, they just come in, weld, got so many of this to weld, they go off and do it. I get that, but I might finish then and like, oh, we need you to go over the road and run a laser for a bit, or we need you to fold all these parts up.
What is an apprenticeship and what's involved in it?
It ranges between 16 to 18-year-olds. I know people can start later like I did, but for me, I knew I didn't want to go to university. You gain your skills, your knowledge, while going to work, you get your day release, or in some cases a block release for college, and you do bits there and you do bits at work and some in your own time, and slowly it all draws together.
Were you studying towards a particular qualification?
So the way my apprenticeship was structured, it was a 1-year contract to complete my level 2 fabrication and welding and level 2 in engineering technology. And then once completing that year and passing, I got a 3-year contract to do the level 3 versions of them qualifications.
Did you find out about the apprenticeship, and could you tell us a little bit about the recruitment process?
I knew I wanted to do something with engineering, so that's what I used to search on the government website, engineering apprenticeships, and I'd look through and read job descriptions, how close it was to me. And then I happened to apply for this one, received a phone call, came in the next day for a chat, walked around Unit 1 and Unit 3, talking with the old works manager. I had my interview, and within a couple of days I had an email saying we'd like you to start in September.
Where do you see yourself in the next 5 yees, Aaron?
Personally, I do see myself still being here, because obviously I finished my apprenticeship here, I've done my time, I'm progressing, I'm moving off the shop floor, I'm going into an office role, and things are looking good for me and for my career.
If people are interested in finding out more about an apprenticeship with LWC, where should they look?
You'll be able to find the website, LWC Group, and then basically you go to that and then it can take you off to different sites on what you're wanting to learn. You can also go through a pre-training centre, I believe. That's who did my training. And then there's also the government website, which I found on. So if you want to, the easiest way to do it is go on apprenticeships.gov and search Leeds Welding Company.
What makes you happy?
Pretty money motivated, to be honest. That's what I want. I want to make something with my life. But however, I do like seeing things happen, knowing I've done it.